Hey, good morning, Crystalite Tribe. This is Becky here. I got a big box of crystals from King's Crystals. These are authentic Vogels. Got it this morning, popped it open, and just wanted to share them with you. It'll take me a little while to get these beauties on the site, so if you see something that calls out to you, please let me know and I'll set it aside for you and we'll talk later about it. Okay, here we go. Wow, they come in these great hard shell cases now. This first one is probably 6 inches or so, 6 facet, 300 grams or so. Beautiful. Oh, this one's probably 7 inches, 400 plus grams, also 6 facet. These are Lemurian clear quartz. They come from Brazil, from a mine named Lemuria. That's where they get their name. They're optical grade crystal. This one's probably over 400 grams, another 6 facet. Probably 6 inches or so. Ooh. I'm like a kid in a candy store. These come in and everyone's a surprise. This one's probably 8 inches. Again, 6 facet. 8 inches. This one is totally clear. It's really a exquisite crystal. Totally clear crystal is very rare. There's usually something from the growth process that shows its face. So this is for you lovers of crystals with rainbows. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's got a lot of rainbows. This inclusion is from water that gets trapped into the crystal. And then there's internal fractures that allow the rainbows to show. There is nothing in the vortex of the crystal, so no energy flow will be disrupted by these beautiful inclusions. I love crystals like that. Okay, tribe, more to come later.